Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. With the holiday season around the corner, I've got a fantastic stocking stuffer idea for you. Today, we're diving into a super practical and fun gadget, the ZOOI Bluetooth Beanie Hat. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves cool tech and outdoor adventures, from dads to gadget lovers. So let's get started and see what makes this Bluetooth beanie a must-have. The ZOOI Bluetooth Beanie isn't just about keeping you warm in the cold. It's designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want to stay connected and safe. Whether you're camping, jogging, biking, or just walking the dog, this beanie offers a unique combination of comfort, tech, and practicality. Let's check out what makes this beanie special. First, gifts for him. Perfect for winter activities like skiing, hunting, or hiking. It's soft, warm, and keeps you comfortable no matter where you are. Second, built-in LED lights. It has 5 LED lights that can illuminate up to 30 feet, with adjustable brightness settings for any situation. Whether you're working on your car at night or jogging, it's got you covered. Third, upgraded Bluetooth technology. The beanie connects easily to your phone with a 33-foot range, allowing you to listen to music or take calls on the go. Plus, the built-in stereo speakers deliver high-quality sound for a great listening experience. And lastly, quick and easy charging comes with a USB charging port. A full charge takes just 1 to 2 hours, giving you up to 8 hours of continuous use, perfect for long outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a practical tech-savvy gift that stands out, the ZOOI Bluetooth Beanie is a great choice. It's the perfect gadget for men who seem to have everything, or for anyone who loves the outdoors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Alltech, and hit that bell icon for more cool gadget reviews and tech tips. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the ZOOI Bluetooth Beanie, or if you have other gadgets you want me to review. See you next time on Alltech.